Farm to Table Kids. We are at Skillins in Cumberland, Maine, and today we're going to show you this really cool kids garden box that Farmer Joey made all by himself, and you can make one too. We have them for sale on our website. Farm to Table Kids is a non-profit where we love to teach kids how to farm, so this is one way to get your hands dirty while there's still snow on the ground. Farmer Joey, how did you make this?
Well, I took from the raised garden kit, I took these boards and nailed them together, and I made this awesome farm table kids gardening box, and we're gonna plant some of our plants inside of it.
Yes! So this is really cool. It's all rustic wood, and we're gonna take some Coast of Maine potting mix.
I got a splinter on it.
And put it in here. You ready? Look at how dark that is!
I love it.
Oh, does it smell so good?
I mean, it comes from manure.
It's my favorite smell. Okay, how's that? Does it feel so good to get your hands dirty? I love it. Okay, now to plant these, Joey, do we want to plant them all in the same spot or spread them out a little bit?
Spread them out.
Let's spread them out so they'll grow. Now, you can always plant these cow pots, these actually coconut pots. You can plant those directly. I like taking them out because sometimes I think that they can dry out the plants. And then, Joey, I don't know why I'm planting. You should be planting. These ones, go ahead and pop them out of the crate. Put them right upside down. Good job. And then you just go upside down with it and put one hand out to catch them. You got it. And see how we're gonna pull this one because the roots are sticking out the bottom? Good. Now with that one, you can actually break it up and scatter the flowers all over. Cool. And do they have bulbs or root systems?
Root systems.
Yes. Look at that. So then really delicately with your farm hands, you can just break up that bulb. See the bulbs right here? Just like that. Okay? So really delicately, just boop, boop, boop. Pull that one out and plant it wherever you want. And remember, can you tell the kids, when you're planting, what are you trying to cover with the soil?
You're trying to cover the ball with the root.
Yeah, and are you packing down really, really hard? No, you don't want to pack down hard because we want oxygen to get to the root systems.
So that they can grow.
So that they
and
can
be
grow.
alive.
And so what you want to do is make sure it goes all the way down. There you go. And keep it nice and loose. And then let's take one of the bigger plants and make sure we get a big plant in there before we run out of space. There you go. And you can always go to your local nursery to get any kind of plants you want. We chose to do kitchen herbs that I use often, as well as these really beautiful little yellow flowers because they look so cheerful. But you could always do house plants in here. You could do succulents. You could do flowers. It could be anything. Skillins has beautiful daffodils and narcissus out right now that are awesome.
Daffodils.
Here you go.
Favorite.
I love daffodils. Oh, this smells so good. Doesn't it smell awesome?
I like it.
What does it smell like? A Christmas tree?
Christmas tree.
I always think rosemary smells like a Christmas tree.
Oh.
So you keep planting. See how the rosemary is kind of taking over these bulbs? I'm going to relocate this one. Oh, this is so happy. I love it. Good job. And like I said before, you can plant in these, but I like to take them out because the roots can have more moisture without these on them. And something like that, yep, that's lavender. So we're gonna plant that direct with the whole ball in there. And one of the things I tell kids at farm camp, can I see this for a second, Joey?
Sure.
At farm camp, I always tell kids, this root ball here, think of it like a kitchen sponge. If it stays out, it's gonna dry. But if you plant it all and get all of it under the soil, it's gonna stay nice and moist. So we wanna make sure that whole ball gets covered by the beautiful dark Coast of Maine soil that will give it some nice vitamins and nutrients. Beautiful! And then
I just have this.
a little bit of basil. And the basil comes in these little plants, and we can break those ones up. Good job!
Basil.
Awesome. And when you are separating plants, it's always better to do it from the leaves so that you actually don't hurt the terminal end of the plant. So Joey, can you take that cluster and show our farm friends how they would take that apart? By the leaf, yep. Good, just like that. And that's because the plant only has one stem. So if you break the stem, it's gonna take a long time to grow back. But if you pull by the leaf and the leaf comes off, that's okay. That'll grow back much faster and it won't actually hurt the total plant. So that's why you pull by a leaf and not the stem. And then you can just trickle these in wherever you want to put them. And it looks beautiful.
Hey, Farmer Steph, do you think we are done?
I don't know, Farmer Joey, what do you think? This is my Mother's Day present, so you tell
I
me.
have to say one thing.
Yeah?
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, I love it! Thank you, give me a kiss. Mwah. I can't believe you made this box. I'm so proud of you. Woo! Follow Farm to Table Kids and coastofmaine.com for more information with Farming with Kids. Happy seedling season.
Happy season season.